This is the BK301 HDMI switch, and it's dead simple, and I like it. I got this for free from the brand to check out to show you what it looks like, how to use it, what I think about it, but I'm not being paid to make this video. These are just like my opinions, man. Let's check this out. It's pretty cool. So here it is. You got a selector on the front, toggle through your selections. You got an input number 1 right here, HDMI in. These are full-sized HDMI ports, by the way. And then you got input 2, an input 3, and an output. So this is going to TV, monitor, whatever you want it to be hooked up to. So why would you use this? Well, if you don't have enough connections on your television or your computer monitor or whatever, or you just have too many things that you're inputting in and you want to be able to switch between them just on an external device like this, toggle through here or select them with the remote control, 1, 2, 3. This is what you use. There's no power, it doesn't require power. It's literally just sending the signal from one place to another. I love dead simple products, and this is what this is. So it supports up to 4K at 165, 144, or 120 hertz frame rate, and then low power consumption. So again, there's no external power supply required. It supports HDMI 2.1, so if you're using an ARC device or an eARC device, you're going to be all good with the pass-through information that takes. It supports CEC, so like when you're using a device to turn on and off multiple devices through the HDMI connector, this passes through that information. HDR, 48 gigabytes per second. This does all the things. And it actually supports up to 8K at 60 hertz. So not only are you up to 165 hertz at 4K, but you can go up to 8K with the 60 hertz refresh rate. And it actually here on the back, HDMI 2.1 and HDCP 2.3 compliant. I love dead simple products. This is another one that it just does a thing and it does it well and it only does one thing. So hope that's helpful for you. There's again what it looks like, and it's also super small. So indiscreet, you can put this out of the way wherever you need to use it, and it's not going to take up desk space very much at all. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.